Hi, I'm Emratik, Sanwei Su Style Froster Review, a new generation Penhold blade. The development of Penhold equipment has often focused on rubber technology and blade composition, while the handle design has remained largely unchanged for decades. With the introduction of the Sanwei Su Style Froster, Sanwei is attempting something different. Instead of only improving the blade structure, they have reimagined how a Penhold racket should fit in the hand. The result is a blade that not only delivers modern arylate carbon performance, but also introduces an innovative handle design specifically created for contemporary Penhold players. First impressions, the Sanwei Su Style Froster weighs approximately 85 to 87 grams and has a thickness of around 5.9 mm. In hand, the blade feels light, balanced and easy to maneuver. The overall construction immediately gives the impression of a modern offensive blade designed for aggressive topspin play. What stands out first is the handle. Unlike the traditional Chinese Penhold grip, the Su style handle has been reshaped according to ergonomic principles. The goal is simple: make the racket feel more natural in the hand while reducing unnecessary tension in the fingers and wrist. For players who use the modern reverse Penhold backhand RPB, this design offers a noticeable advantage: blade structure. The Froster uses a premium offensive composition, Koto Arylate Carbon ALC. I use Kiriko, I use Arylate Carbon ALC Koto. This Koto ALC construction is very similar to some of the most popular composite blades in the world. The outer Koto veneer provides a crisp and direct contact, while the arylate carbon layers add stability, power, and a larger sweet spot. The Kiriko keeps the blade lightweight and helps generate speed without making the blade overly stiff. Sanwei describes the Froster as a blade designed for fast arc attacks and for players operating at the table or from mid-distance. After testing, this description is quite accurate. Playing characteristics: the official specifications rate the blade as speed, off plus reaction, 12 control, 11.5 vibration, 9 impact, medium. On the table, the Froster feels fast but not uncontrollable. The blade provides excellent acceleration during topspin attacks while still maintaining enough dwell time to create heavy spin. One of the first things I noticed was how similar the feeling is to the butterfly Viscaria. Players familiar with Viscaria will immediately recognize the crisp contact, solid sweet spot, and explosive power when accelerating through the ball. The Froster produces a high-quality arc, making it easy to open against backspin and continue pressure during rallies. The blade feels especially effective when looping close to the table and transitioning into powerful counter topspin exchanges. Forehand performance. The forehand side is where the Froster truly shines. The Koto outer ply creates a direct and precise feeling, allowing aggressive players to attack confidently. Fast loops, counters and power drives all benefit from the blade's stability. Because the impact feeling is medium rather than extremely hard, players can still feel the ball during contact. This gives confidence when opening against heavy backspin and when varying spin during rallies. The blade rewards good technique. The faster you accelerate, the more power it delivers. Reverse Penhold backhand. The most impressive aspect of this blade may actually be its handle design. Traditional Chinese Penhold handles often create limitations when performing reverse Penhold backhand strokes. Some players experience discomfort, finger pressure, or awkward wrist positioning. The Su style handle directly addresses these issues. Sanwei removed part of the traditional handle shape that usually presses against the index finger. Additional ramps have been created to support the index finger naturally, increasing comfort and contact area. The thumb support area has also been reinforced, creating a more stable grip during forehand attacks while maintaining freedom for backhand movements. As a result, reverse Penhold backhand topspins feel remarkably easy to perform. The racket transitions naturally between forehand and backhand positions. The grip feels secure without requiring excessive finger pressure. For modern Penhold players who rely heavily on RPB attacks, this could be one of the most important advantages of the blade: comfort and ergonomics. Many players underestimate how much energy is wasted through grip tension. The hook handle design of the Su-style Froster helps relax the finger muscles while keeping the racket securely in place. During long training sessions, the reduced tension becomes noticeable. The racket face naturally aligns more closely with the palm, encouraging a smoother swing path and reducing unnecessary adjustments during stroke execution.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.